Hey, welcome. If you're a virtual assistant or you run your own small business, you know the client grind can be absolutely relentless. But what if I told you that you could completely transform that entire process? Today, we're going to dive into how you can build an AI-powered system that actually finds clients for you. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into it. Does this sound familiar? One month you are completely swamped with work. You can barely keep up. And the next, you're looking at your calendar, anxiously wondering where the heck the next project is coming from. This whole feast or famine cycle is one of the biggest headaches for entrepreneurs, and it is exactly what we are here to solve today. And look, this isn't just about feeling stressed out. It has a real, tangible impact on your business. This kind of inconsistency leads directly to unpredictable revenue streams, and maybe even more importantly, it stops you from jumping on those big opportunities to grow and really scale your business. So, why does this keep happening? Well, it all starts with what we call the unpredictable client flow. See, in today's crowded digital market, the old ways of finding clients just aren't cutting it anymore. Let's break down exactly why that is. Think about the traditional approach for a second, spending hours and hours on manual networking, blasting out those generic one-size-fits-all messages, and then trying to remember who you're supposed to follow up with and when. It's so time-consuming. And for all that effort, the results are often completely unpredictable. It really leaves you feeling like you're just spinning your wheels. And that leads us to the real cost of being stuck in this manual grind. Because it's not just about the time you're losing, it's about the energy and the momentum that you're sacrificing along the way. This constant struggle to find and keep clients does way more than just fill your schedule with busy work. It actively saps your time and, this is a big one, your enthusiasm. It's a direct path to burnout, and it's what causes your business's growth to just flatline. Okay, let's really look at the two paths you can take here. On the left, you've got the old way. All manual outreach, generic messages, inconsistent follow-ups, and just a ton of missed opportunities. But on the right, you have the AI way. We're talking an automated system that delivers personalized messages, provides reliable nurturing for your leads, and ultimately keeps your client pipeline full. It's a total game changer. So, how do we get there? How do we build that automated, efficient system? It all starts by introducing your new AI assistant. And don't worry, this isn't about becoming some kind of tech wizard. It's really just about using a few powerful tools that act as your own dedicated little team. And the toolkit for this, it's surprisingly simple. First up, think of Notion as your business command center. It's the one central place where all your client info is going to live. Next, you've got Make.com. That's your automation engine. It's the powerful glue that connects everything and makes it all work together seamlessly. And finally, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal copywriter, drafting perfectly tailored messages in seconds. These three tools, that's your new team. All right, now for the really cool part, the autopilot workflow. The real magic happens when you get these tools working together in a seamless system that finds and nurtures clients for you 24/7. Seriously, even while you're sleeping. And here's what that whole journey looks like. We are building a system that automatically guides potential clients through the entire process. From the moment they show interest, they're engaged, they're nurtured, and they're guided toward becoming loyal long-term partners, all without you having to manually manage every single step. So here's how it all works in 4 simple stages. First, capture. Any new lead gets automatically saved and organized right into Notion. Then, personalize. ChatGPT gets to work drafting custom human-sounding outreach for each one of those new leads. After that comes nurture. Make.com triggers smart automated follow-ups so absolutely no one falls through the cracks. And finally, retain. The system helps you anticipate what your clients need and builds real loyalty. Now, I know this might sound like a lot, but you don't have to build the whole thing overnight. Let's focus on some quick wins. A few simple, really high-impact steps you can take today to get the ball rolling. We're just going to focus on 3 simple actions to get you started. That's it. 3. Okay, first, use Make.com to centralize all your new leads into one single Notion database. That means no more scattered sticky notes or lost contacts. Second, fire up ChatGPT and have it draft personalized intro emails for your next 5 leads. Just see how fast and effective it is. And third, set up just one automated follow-up reminder in Notion for prospects who haven't gotten back to you. This alone can be a total lifesaver. You see, by starting with these small steps, you begin to build a system that transforms client acquisition from this constant struggle into a sustainable, results driven process. So the only question left is, are you ready to put your client acquisition on autopilot and finally get back to focusing on the work you actually love?